Hello. Welcome to my crib. I'm going to Seattle for a holiday party. My boyfriend works for Dolce Vita, so we're gonna go really quickly. It'll be fast. It's only gonna be 3 days. So looks like the weather is going to be pretty cold and rainy. I'm like so excited to wear this sweater. I got it at H&M and it was on sale for like $15 and it's like legit mohair. It's gonna be warm and itchy, but whatever. And then this hoodie, oh my god, at Target does it again. Instagram, dangerous. I got this for like 20 bucks. So. And then now shoes is gonna be super easy. It is crazy in here, sorry. Since it's for the holiday party and it's gonna be a little cold, I'm gonna take these like super fun sparkly Dolce Vita booties. They're a little messed up, but it's gonna be dark and it's gonna be fine. Oh, all right. Yeah. Let me know. Yeah. I like it. These boots I've been dying to wear. I've been waiting since like October to get these. They're so freaking cute. Like, I can't wait. Anyway, I'm gonna take these guys. I hope I don't get blisters because they are new, but whatever. It's a little ugly, but I always use these. These are like my travel bags, not matchy or cute, but they work for me. So I'm obviously gonna take my Foreo little like face guide. It's a mini. I don't know what it's called, but it like exfoliates all the dead skins off your skin. I've been using this for like a really long time, so I'm gonna take this. Honestly, I used to be a skincare junkie, and then now there's just like so much out there. I don't know what to use anymore. So all I've been using is my Pericone Nutritive Cleanser. I've been using this for years. I love it. And I wash my face. I do organic rosehip oil. I always do this. It's been working for me. It's like super cheap on Amazon. It's like 10 bucks or something. So I'm gonna take that. I've been using the Caudalie Vino Perfect Brightening Concentrate. It's like a toner. And Living Proof conditioner, shampoo, and all that stuff. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take that guy in there. This. Right now I've been using the Stila Huge. It's pretty good. I like it. So I'm gonna take my mascara. And this is something that I can never leave without. I cannot go a day without mascara. I look funny without mascara, so I cannot wear makeup. I cannot wear makeup, but I have to have mascara. And I also do Dior primer. The best if you want like super nice. I mean, I feel like it helps on my lashes, so I always have this too. I wear the same makeup all the time. If I go out, I'll like add a little bit more of this, but I'm super simple. Oh, perfect. And I can't believe like my packing skills are like A1 now. Very important. Oh, my Starbucks card, because it's like Seattle. Starbucks land. It's like super compact. I'm gonna use this at nighttime too, because it's like super early. Right here. A little bunny. Thanks for coming. It was so nice having you guys, but I literally have to go now, so let me walk you out.